Hey guys, Greg with planetgreenzen, and thank you for coming to my channel. Now, as always, I have a couple of questions for the people of Zen out there. Do you wish that you had more money in your bank account? Do you dream all day of how life could be with more cash? Well, in today's video, what we're going to discuss is how to manifest more money into your life, so stay tuned. But Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action. Before we jump into that, if you guys have never been to this channel, what I really love to do is just inspire the world mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic yin-yang balance of each one of those areas on earth, we would live in world peace and eliminate hunger, famine, slavery, war, disease, poverty, and have more health, wealth, and abundance together as one human unit on this entire planet. So, if you guys believe in similar messages, do me a favor, subscribe, Shin and Shadow, hit that bell notification so you're notified when new videos are released, comment below, let me know your thoughts on these different topics that we cover, and share these out with people in your community who needs to hear these messages, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into this. Okay, so the title of this video is How to Manifest More Money into Your Life. Now, just a heads up, if you guys are here for some type of get-rich-quick type of scheme, just go ahead and just go do something else, because that's not what this video is about. Just have a few different tips, at least what I've done personally to manifest thousands of dollars into my bank account to help me, get through some things and to help me pay off stuff and to just invest in more real estate or whatever I'm doing. I just want to go through those personal things that I personally done. So one of the key things that I do, so some people may think is foo-foo, is I write down affirmations, or I give specific amounts of money that I want by certain dates. And I will recommend that you do that as well. Again, it may seem weird at first when you're not used to and conditioned to this type of thinking, but again, if we were taught this stuff when we were young, it would not be weird. It'll be a normal thing of life. But write down affirmations as far as what you want, how much you want, and then what you will give in return for that money. Like, for example, let's say you wanted, I don't know, let's say extra $1,000 by 3 months from now, and if you were to obtain that $1,000, you would actually give more service and actually help people out more for getting that $1,000, something like that. So just keep that in mind. Another one is what I would say is, again, obviously I would love that you need to have a spiritual balance. So I would say thank the Lord in the present tense for receiving that specified amount of money that you desire, even if you don't have it yet. Again, your mind's going to want to talk to you automatically, say, hey, you don't have this, this is stupid, or this is fake, it's not real. But again, just keep doing that, and you will start to learn to accept that and actually think in the present tense and actually put yourself in that mindset as if you already do have it, and you will truly believe it. So again, it's hard for many people to do in the beginning, but because a lot of people think in lack versus abundance and negative versus positive. So again, if you switch all those negative, lackful thoughts with positive, abundant thoughts, you will start to do this easily over time. Also, you would need to change your pre-programmed mindset on how you were taught to think about money, because a lot of us were taught one way to think about money, so we don't pursue that life. Again, it's not that you're pursuing money, but you're pursuing the lifestyle that it will give you, and then money is a byproduct of the lifestyle, because when you pursue something greater than yourself, you get a stronger, wiser, smarter, faster, and you start to attract better people into your life when you're pursuing that type of lifestyle. So again, the money is a byproduct of it. So don't think that you're chasing money, because you're not. You're chasing the lifestyle that you can do or that you really want, because think about the stuff that you can do in the communities you can serve. Like if you go to church or whatever, you can donate money to churches, or if you want to start your own non-profit organization, or just go randomly give people money on the street, if that's what you want to do to help out. Again, there's so much stuff that you can do when you actually change your mindset and think of abundance. Also, you don't want to just sit around and watch TV all day. You want to take some time to meditate, and again, start to learn and research how to do so, and then that will also help you obtain what you want. Because when you clear your mind of all the gunk daily, and then you replace it with abundant positive energy and focus, you will be able to start to accumulate the things that you want. Also, I recommend posting images around your house or home or a car or workstation with the dollar amount that you want, the specified dollar amount that you're seeking, and it will help remind you of that and help you think positively and not lack or negative, and know that it's on its way. You have to really know that, and even though, again, it's not necessarily presently in your bank account, but you're going into the future and bringing that into the present. So when you think about that, you know for sure that it's there, and you change your mindset. Also, you want to be patient and have grace, and again, thank God again for the blessings you are about to receive, because again, you're going to the future and putting it into the present. Also, you may want to analyze your current living situation and see if you can reduce certain bills or eliminate them altogether, and work towards living below your means as well, and not overspending. Also, you may want to reallocate funds to other places that's not producing income for things that possibly can produce income or wasting money. Like, for example, I'm sorry guys, but if you're a smoker, you want to eliminate that as soon as possible, because that's totally wasting money. You're getting sick, you're actually making yourself unhealthier. There's nothing positive that comes from smoking. You're wasting money, you're wasting your health. Again, you do that, you can restart to reallocate those funds somewhere else. So you just start with a savings account, put it there, and then once you get a certain dollar amount, maybe like $500 to $1,000, now you can use that to maybe invest in like some low cost ETFs or low maintenance ETFs, or just either exchange traded funds or something like that. Also, if you have high cable packages, again, you want to think about getting rid of those. Eating out every night, fast food, consuming too much alcohol, all these things you can actually, it will take time, but if you start to reallocate those funds, those literally could be hundreds of dollars a month that you're saving instantly that you can start to reallocate in other places. So just think about that, guys. Also, work hard off paying off personal debt. That would also increase your cash flow as well, because let's say you have a $300 debt payment, and if you pay off that debt, now you just increase your monthly cash flow by $300. And since you were spending that anyway, you can literally have that automatically go into a separate account, so you don't even see it. And then you start to look at there a few months from now, you're like, wow, I saved a lot of money. So these are just some basic tips. Again, I've used every one of these that I listed here personally to help me manifest thousands of dollars, and I want you guys to do it too. So just want to leave you guys with the quote of the day. And again, this quote is actually from Proverbs 16:9, and it says, "A man's heart plans his way, but the Lord directs his steps." This is Greg with Planet Green Zen signing off. You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.